If Telegram is showing the too many requests error, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This error usually appears when Telegram thinks you've made too many login attempts, code requests, or repeated actions in a short period of time. The good news is that in most cases, you do not need to uninstall the app or create a new account. You just need to let the restriction clear properly and avoid making it worse. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes and tutorials. Now let's get into it. First, the most important thing you can do is wait it out. Close Telegram completely and leave it alone for 24 hours. This is very important because the timer can reset if you keep trying to log in or keep repeating the action that triggered the warning. So if you see the error, stop pressing buttons, stop requesting codes, and give the account time to cool down. Many people make the mistake of retrying over and over, but that usually makes the lockout last even longer. So step 1 is simple. Be patient and let Telegram clear the restriction on its own. Next, turn off your VPN if you are using one on your PC or phone. Telegram can sometimes flag VPN traffic because many people share the same IP address on VPN servers. If other users on that same server have triggered suspicious activity, your account can get caught in the middle and show the too many requests error. So go into your VPN app, disconnect it completely, and then try Telegram again using your normal internet connection. In a lot of cases, that alone can make a difference. If you still have the problem, the next step is to change your network. For example, switch your PC from your current Wi-Fi to a phone hotspot or try a different internet connection entirely. This gives your device a new, cleaner IP address, which can help if your current network has been temporarily flagged. If you're on mobile, you can turn off Wi-Fi and use mobile data instead. If you're on a computer, connect through a hotspot from your phone or use another trusted network. The goal is to get Telegram to see a different connection source because the issue may be tied to your current IP rather than your account itself. Also, while you're waiting for the restriction to clear, do not keep retrying the send code option. This is one of the biggest mistakes people make. Every time you click send code again, Telegram may interpret it as another attempt and extend the lockout. So instead of refreshing, instead of spamming the login button, and instead of trying again every few minutes, just leave it alone and let the cooldown finish. Once the waiting period is over, reopen Telegram on a clean network with VPN turned off and try again only once. If the error was temporary, you should now be able to continue normally. In many cases, the problem goes away after the cooldown and a network change. So to recap, wait 24 hours, turn off your VPN, change to a different network if needed, and do not keep retrying while you wait. Those 4 steps solve most Telegram too many requests errors without any complicated setup. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.